Hey, good afternoon. Map here. Micro Map Investments. I'm gonna do a video today how to trade options. Um, what I do in my day when I look at scan the markets, and so you can see my mechanics and my process. Here are the futures. The dollar's down 31 cents to 102. 10 years down 5 bips to 343. Foreign currency, most of them are, I only have the smaller ones here. Well, actually, I have the ones that trade options in. 6A trades options, 30% IV rank. The pound has 32% IV rank. The Canadian dollar has 35% IV rank. And the euro has 3. Hogs down 47 cents. This is a custom list I made. Cattle down 25 cents. Hogs have been pretty hit hard. Small caps down 10. Bitcoin down 565. Oil up 483. Huge move in oil today. Uh, over 80.50. S&P down 3, almost flat. Gold up a nice 15. Copper down 5 cents. Nasdaq down 139. Um, Dow Jones 233. Nat gas cannot get out of its rut. I picked up some more UNG. Silver down 11. VIX down 27. All the grains, I see the grains. Corn, they close at 2:05 p.m. $2 down, 2 cents down. Soybeans up 15 cents. Wheat up a 1 cent, 1.62. Long end of the yield curve is down. The 30-year and 10-year down. Oats down 9, and then I have some ETFs here that I follow. Biggest moves: XOP, XLE, USO, which have to do with energy, gold, GDX, GDX, and GDXJ, Dow Jones 230, and that's pretty much it. So I was looking for some trades here. Uh, so I ranked them by highest IV. You can see. These are the highest IVs. These are the ones you want to be selling premiums on. I always reference the Thinkorswim platform and the Tasty Trade platform um, to develop the trade. I was looking at Manchester United. They have an IV rank of 52 here, and let's see what they have over here. They have 88. They're a buyout rumor. I was looking at 46 days. See, maybe I can get filled here on a spread. Maybe look at the chart here on Manu. Let's take a look here. 180 days. Seems like 20 after the big bump up on the sale of the team hit up to 28. Seems like 20 seems to be a nice uh, support level. We have a down day today, so let's take a look. Maybe at selling something. So I can sell a short put vertical out 46 days, and I'm looking for some duration. I need some more time in the portfolio. Um, move these strikes down. Let's see what we can get here. Maybe we could try the 1817, maybe 18.6. Nah, let's try 1817. I don't know. There's a lot of bids in this. Let me see here. 1870 open. They're pretty wide. They're pretty wide, but I'll do one for 30. Let's send one for 35 cents. 65 probability of success. Let's try 40. See if it bite. They're not gonna bite. They want 35. They put 32. Let's send in another one. I don't mind doing a couple. 46 days out. 17, 18. Now they're at 27 cents. I'm gonna try 35 cents now. Do another one. I'll let them sit there and see what happens. They're working. Let's move on to the next one. I mean, if you want to get really gangster on the trade and have a low probability, you can go with the support. It's 54%. You get $45. Let's try it. It's working at 43 cents, so they're not biting. So let's move to the next one. I'll take any of those fills. ABR, I think I have a position in ABR. Let's check ABR, ABR. I do have an iron flying ABR. It hasn't come in a lot. I'm down 25 bucks. Yeah, probably volatility staying up there, 79. So the IV hasn't really come in yet on that. MCRB. MCRB. Let's take a look at MCRB. MCRB. 30 IV rank. It looks to all be on the call side. Maybe something happening there in MCRB. Maybe some news on there. It's got heavy volume. Maintain the buy. Let's take a look at the chart on this. Big move here today. Pretty big move. This is the, let's see, 20 days. No, I don't think there's much you could do here. Let's see over here, MCRB. See what they have here. What is it? 36, and they have here 30. And I don't think I'm gonna pass on this. I don't see much here. I'm gonna pass on this one. All right, so let's see here. MCRB, SLG. I have a position in that one. I don't think it's doing much. I mean, I think this morning it was down. I have an iron fly in here, down 49 bucks. I have the 20. I kind of have it skewed to the downside. It's a REIT, so we won't do nothing there out of position. MCB. This is a bank, big bank. Let's check out MCB. MCB. They have 59 IV rank. Ooh, good one. High IV MCB. High 71 here. Let's take a look at maybe Iron Condor. They have earnings coming up. It's 18 days out. When's earnings? Earnings is the 20th, day before these expire. Let me take a look at this one. Let's see how far out we can get. So I'm spreading out the wings here. I think I made a mistake here. I touched up a mistake. All right. Maybe we could zoom this in a little bit so you can see it better. There you go, guys. That should be more helpful. Let's get wider here. We're looking for something that we can get a good credit and get a 70 plus pop or in the 60s. So let's bring this one over here. Maybe make it $5 wide. $66%. 66% collecting 53 cents. Not much here. This is negative, positive deltas. Not really positive on the bank. So, and this is at 30 bucks. Maybe we could bring this in. Let's see something here. How far can I go over here? Let's see what action we have on this. So they got all kinds of stuff going on here, all the way down to the twos. You can see the option change, so you get a better picture here. See? So maybe something here. If you're bearish on these banks, how low did this one go when it melted down? Let's see, 20 days. Hit 1398. 1750. Maybe this might be a decent trade. Bring in the 45.50 on the upside. You know, that brings it back up to here. And downside, you're over here, more or less, even lower, because it's what the 17 and a half, yeah, 12 and a half, 63%, $1.30. Why is it saying buy power affected that much? Why is it that much? Shouldn't be that much. Should only be 500 bucks. Reduced by 13. It shouldn't be that much. Interesting. They have this jacked. It's define risk. I don't know why it's asking uh for more buying power. I don't understand that. I don't get that. Yeah, if I do it in Thinkorswim, maybe get a better. That's why I like two platforms. They're asking me for a bigger buying reduction. Let's see, 45 Iron Condor. That's why I trade on two platforms. 17, 12 and a half. Should be 500 bucks buying power reduction. You see? So I don't know why they got that. And here they had $1.30 credit. Oh, 18 days out. Yeah, April, 18 days out. Why is it doing that? And they're getting $1.30 here. 8.40. Did I pick the right ones? 45.50. And it's only 70 cents. Let's try $1.30. What's the pop? 63 dollar. Let's try $1.50. No, they only want 70 cents. Hmm. I wonder if they're very wide. They're not that wide. 10 cents here, 5 cents here, 20 cents here, 5 cents here. Hmm. Interesting. 40, 50, 15. Let's try 15, 10. Did it go to 10? They do have 10. Let's try that. Let me see here. 40. Iron Condor. 40, 45, 15, 10. $1.10. Let's try $1.25. That's 66% probability of profit. Even better. Let's try $1.25 here. See if we get filled. I submitted it. Canceled the other order. It's working. I want 15 more cents. Let's see what happens. I'll keep it there working. See how long this video is. 13 minutes. Alright. Maybe do 7 more minutes of trading here. Just trying to get creative, do some stuff here. Silvergate, very small, not interested in. I have a position in Zim. Oh, bar chart got refreshed, sorry. Alright. SI is too small. I have a position in CarMax. I have a position in Zim. Bed Bath and Beyond is garbage. Bank of Ozark. Another bank. 33 bucks. Let's see what OZK has going on. OZK. IB rank 65, so good juice in there. OZK. 60. Let's see when earnings is. This is mechanics, so we got earnings coming up. So we're just trying to stay short. Short duration. 18 days out because earnings is around the corner. So we don't need to go out further. So right now, let's see. This might be a decent candidate. This is a pretty big bank. I've heard of this bank. They're pretty big. $4 billion bank. I don't know where they're out of. don't know where they're at out of. This might be an iron fly candidate uh, with some down. Let me look at the chart here, because the iron condor is not really giving me an opportunity. It's giving me $1 to sell 40, 45, 30, 25. Hmm. I don't know. That's how this is how it looks. Let me zoom it in. Uh, this is how it looks. So why is it doing this? I don't like that way it looks. This is how it looks. See, if it's in this zone, you keep your credit, but it's only $1. Or we could try and do. Let's look at the chart again. Sorry. Let's go to 180. So it's at the low. Yeah, it's at the low. You see, it was at 50. Boom to the low. Um, I don't know. I don't know if these spreads are pretty good. Tight bid asks. Let's see. 15 cents. I personally would like to do an iron fly here. What's an iron fly? It's just an iron condor, but basically you're selling a straddle and buying the wings. So in this case, if you go 35, 35, 40, 30, you collect 310, but you're positive deltas. See? So that means you're kind of leaning for it to go up. I don't think you want to be leaning for banks to go up right now. So maybe we can go 25, 30, and 35. And this gives you negative 16 deltas here. So now you have more room because the banks are falling. And this is more like a volatility contraction play. If you want to even get a little bit more exposure, maybe buy the 40 and collect a 510 and you're 44 deltas short. I think I might go this route. Let's see what here. Yeah, not really taking a lot of buying power here. They're doing it the right way. Let's send this in. Fill. So you saw me do a live trade there on Ozark. So now what I do is I go to Ozark on the platform. I highlight here everything. Ironfly, you want to get about 25% profit. So close profit at 25%. So I want to make 25% on my $500. How much buying power did I use here? Let's see if it tells me here. It didn't tell me. Anyways, I want to say it was here. I'll do it here so you can see it as well in the thinker. I did the 30, right? 30 sell. No, 30 sell straddle. And then I'm gonna click here, control, hold your mouse, and you're gonna buy the 25 for downside protection. And you're gonna go up to the 40. So it's $5.10, same deal. And this takes $500 buying power reduction. Your break evens are. Does it show me my break evens here? I don't want to send it because I already have the order. Well, your break even is 35 to the upside and 25 to the downside. Okay? So that's what I did there. And now I'm going to try and buy this back here. So what you do is you come here and you highlight. I think it's easier to trade on this platform. 25% profit. Boom. I want to buy it back for I like round numbers, 380. Boom. Boom. That order's there working. So we're going to hopefully get that 20 minutes. Let's do one more live trade and then probably name this video how to trade options or trading option mechanics. And I hope you guys enjoy it. BXMT. This seems like another, and I really don't care what these companies do. I'm just looking for high probability, high credits. And this is what these are expensive options. These options are expensive. I have Hasbro already. I have UBS already. Look, Meta supposedly has IV, but I don't think that's accurate. I don't think it's accurate. Meta 30. So that's why I like to double check. A Meta here. 30. So not really that high, and that's an inaccurate reading. I have a trade in Oscar. I don't know if I have Oscar here. I do have Oscar here, and I'm down 1250. I don't even have a position to close it. I'm just monitoring it live as I go through my orders every day as part of my mechanics. I have BXP, MPW I have already. EOGs are big, Energy Play, LW. So these are, you know, all over 50 IV rank. Let's take a look at BXMT, see how that looks on the options chain. BXMT. Mm, don't don't look too interesting. I don't see a lot of puts. Has 53 IV rank. A lot of puts. BXMT 51 as well. Yeah, see there. Let me see when their earnings are. 426. So you really don't want to go out into the earnings cycle. Um, this one, maybe you could do a. Really can't do no broken wing butterfly. Iron Condor won't be good here. If I were to do anything, I'm not going to trade this one, but if I were to do anything here, I would do another Iron Fly with skew to the downside. So maybe, let's say a 13, a 16, 13, maybe 50. Wait, let me see. Maybe something like this with 65 negative deltas. Because if you look at this chart, it probably looks horrible. Like you see, it's on a downtrend. It's just bad. This probably has to do with Blackstone Mortgage Trust, probably real estate and shit. Sorry for the bad words. Yeah, so straight down, you see. Um, and this gives you pretty much, if you wanted to go a little bit more neutral, you can also go 16. It cuts down the deltas and go 11. Well, I think it jumps. Oh, yeah, 12. So you got 4 here and 4 there, 166 in your negative deltas. But you got a 48% probability of profit. The other one was giving you a 55 probability of profit at 282. You can always throw it in there at 3, try and get a bigger credit. Let's see, 15, 10, and 3. That one's in the money. But there's not a lot of open interest, you see. That's why I'm not interested in this. Not a lot of stuff going on here. Just to the put side. You could try and skew it right at the money, but that's just going to give you a pretty uh, even trade, and I don't think it's a pretty even trade. I think it's a broken chart. If you wanted to go $5 here and go here, but you don't get a good credit, so that's an iron fly. The mechanics. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, um, comment below, subscribe. Share the channel with friends or family that like to invest or trade. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll do another video later tonight on more of the news and what other stuff I saw. Bye bye now.